Hello everyone, welcome to I Am a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make chocolate lava cake. It's a very good dessert with less ingredients. So let's go for the ingredients now. Now let's get started. The first step we are going to do is we are going to take the butter and try to coat it inside the ramekin. The next step, I'm going to put in a little bit of all-purpose flour or maida, and we are going to coat it. It's going to be like this. We don't want excess flour in there, so it's just going to be like that. The next step we are going to do is I have placed water in a pan. I'm going to place a glass bowl on top of this one, and we are going to cook it. This process is called as bain-marie process. So to this we are going to add the chocolate and the butter, and we are going to melt it down. While my chocolate and butter is melting, I'm going to do the next process. I'm going to take 2 eggs and I'm going to whisk it. After whisking the egg, I'm going to add in the sugar and mix it. The next step, I'm going to add in the vanilla essence and the all-purpose flour and mix it. Now my chocolate and butter has been melted. I'm going to turn off the stove. Now we are going to add the chocolate into the egg mixture little by little. And keep on whisking. I have finished mixing. Now I'm going to transfer it into the ramekin bowl. Now I am going to place this into a baking pan, and I have kept my oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. Now let's cook this on a temperature of 425 degrees or 210 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to remove it and rest it for a while. After resting for 3 minutes, I'm going to loosen the sides. Now we are going to transfer it to a plate. If you look at the cake, it's soft and moist. Now let's add some icing sugar to it. Now we are going to slice up the cake. And your molten or chocolate lava cake is ready. Now let's try the recipe. It's delicious. If you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel, and you can post your feedbacks on the comment section and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.